Unlocking the buzz, exploring the busy atmosphere. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that you've likely encountered in your English language journey. The phrase, busy atmosphere. This expression is rich with imagery and emotion, and understanding it can add depth to your communication skills. So, let's explore what it means, where you might encounter it, and how you can use it in your own conversations. When we say an environment has a busy atmosphere, we're describing a place that's full of activity and energy. Imagine the hustle and bustle of a crowded market, the lively buzz of a cafe where everyone's chatting, or the focused intensity of an office during a deadline crunch. It's not just about physical movement. It's also about the vibe or feeling that the place gives off. A busy atmosphere can be exciting, overwhelming, or even inspiring, depending on the context and your own perceptions. A busy atmosphere isn't limited to any one type of location. You can find it in urban settings. Cities are prime examples, with their constant flow of people and traffic. Workplaces, especially in offices or factories where there's a lot of work being done. Social gatherings, parties, festivals, and events where people come together to celebrate or interact. Educational institutions, schools and universities during exams or special events. Recognizing when an atmosphere is busy can help you navigate social situations and understand the dynamics of different environments. Using busy atmosphere in your conversations can help you describe environments more vividly. Here are some examples. Describing experiences. The cafe had such a busy atmosphere. It was bursting with life and conversations. Sharing feelings or reactions. I find the busy atmosphere of the city both exhilarating and exhausting. Setting the scene in storytelling. They walked into the party, instantly enveloped by the busy atmosphere. By incorporating this phrase into your dialogue, you can convey not just the physical aspects of a place, but also its emotional impact. Understanding and using phrases like busy atmosphere can greatly enhance your English language skills, making your conversations richer and more nuanced. We hope this exploration has illuminated the phrase for you and that you're excited to use it in your own descriptions and stories. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up a new dimension of expression, so keep exploring and expanding your linguistic horizons.